Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty if you are new. Your journey starts with understanding the basics, so jump into the training range first. Practice aiming and movement without pressure. Once comfortable, select a less intense multiplayer mode, like Team Deathmatch. This allows you to learn map layouts and player flow at your own pace. Adjust your controller sensitivity to a lower number, perhaps 4 or 5, which greatly improves your aiming precision as a beginner. This foundational practice is key to building confidence. Crafting your loadout is crucial for success in Call of Duty. Start with a reliable assault rifle or submachine gun, then explore attachments that boost accuracy and reduce recoil, like a foregrip or an optic. Pair this with a secondary weapon, such as a pistol, and essential perks. Consider Scavenger to keep your ammunition full, or Ghost to remain undetected by enemy surveillance. Experimenting with different combinations helps you find what feels best, tailoring your gear to your personal combat style. Efficient movement and smart positioning are vital for survival. Utilize sprinting to traverse distances quickly, but be prepared to slide or crouch for cover when engaging. Always prioritize using environmental elements, like walls or crates, to shield yourself from incoming fire. Understanding the map's flow, including common routes and objective points, will help you anticipate where enemies might appear. Remember to consistently check every corner and clear rooms before advancing. This simple habit significantly reduces surprise attacks. Call of Duty is often a team game, and collaboration is key. Even if you are not using voice chat, try to stick with your teammates and provide support. In objective-based game modes, remember that the primary goal is not just eliminations, but completing the mission. Capture those points, defend those areas, and plant or defuse those bombs. Use the in-game ping system to quickly communicate enemy positions or call for help. Understanding the specific rules of each mode will dramatically improve your team's chances of victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.